This is the summary created from the video, Lecture 13 Inheritance. The concept of inheritance in Java is explored, where a superclass serves as a blueprint for subclasses like car and truck inheriting from vehicle, enabling code reuse and maintainability. Java supports various types of inheritance, including single inheritance where a subclass derives from one superclass, multiple single inheritance with multiple subclasses from the same superclass, and multi-level single inheritance where a subclass inherits from another subclass. Method overriding allows subclasses to redefine superclass methods, while the super keyword facilitates access to inherited members, ensuring a one-way access from subclasses to superclasses. Dynamic method resolution determines the appropriate method to invoke at runtime based on the object type, enabling runtime polymorphism where subclass objects can be treated as superclass objects in data structures. Abstract classes provide a template for subclasses to implement, containing abstract methods that must be overridden, while final classes cannot be inherited from, and final variables or methods cannot be overridden. In summary, inheritance promotes reusability and maintainability through abstraction, supports various inheritance types, enables method overriding and dynamic method resolution, utilizes abstract classes as templates, and enforces restrictions with final classes and members. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.